Forex Indicators Lesson 9. Forex Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. As to the support and resistance levels. There are four main components to Ichimoku. They're known as the Tenkan Sen line, the Kijun Sen line, the Chikou span, and the Kumo cloud. As with most similar indicators, you look for line crossovers to identify your entries. So for a long entry, you're looking for the Tenkan Sen line to cross above the Kijun Sen line. For a short entry, you're looking for the Tenkan Sen line to cross below the Kijun Sen line. Our focus, however, is on the long entries under conditions where the price is more than the Kumo cloud. As for short entries, concentrate on the price when it's trading lower than the Kumo cloud. In the meantime, ignore any crossover that occurs when the price is trading inside the Kumo cloud, as it means the price is in range. Now onto the Chikou span. This is the price action plotted against a few periods from the past. By default, many people make use of 60 days in advance, but you can experiment with this setting yourself. The Chikou span is used to filter out the crossover entries. In the case of valid long entries, the Chikou span should be above the Kumo cloud. For short entries, it should be below the Kumo cloud. So now, take a look at the Tenkan Sen line. It has just crossed below the Kijun Sen line, and the price is trading below the Kumo cloud, which makes it a valid entry. However, the Chikou span is trading above the cloud. So instead of entering the market immediately, wait until the Chikou span breaks below the cloud, then close your position once the price exceeds the Kijun Sen line. By leveraging on Ichimoku, you can discover trends that are bound to last in longer term, allowing you to make profits. You can check this strategy against euros to dollars, and you'll realize the huge gains you can make.